Subject of the day is nothing but advanced auditing and professional ethics. First of all, topic is nothing but group audit. Cases where the consolidation is not required. In case of wholly owned subsidiary, in case of a wholly owned subsidiary, in case of wholly owned subsidiary, and partly owned subsidiary of another company and of its member, other including otherwise entitled to vote, having the same intimated in writing, which proof of the delivery of such intimation is available with the company, don't object to the company not presenting the CFS. What he is saying, nothing but consolidation is does not apply in case of the wholly owned subsidiary, and in case of the another company which is saying in the writing, saying that they are not objecting the company to prepare in financial statements. Okay. Next, it is a company and it is a company whose securities are not yet listed and not in the process of being listed. First of all, not yet listed and not doing process of listed in India or outside India, whether it's in India or outside India. And ultimately, intermediate company will file the consolidation financial statements with the register applicable financial statements. Ultimate or intermediate holding are exempted. Who are exempted? First point, wholly owned subsidiary are exempted, and the person, any company which is not objecting any kind of the financial statements, which is not presenting the CFS, and company which is not listed and not in the process of listed, whether in India or outside India, and ultimately intermediate holding company. It's one of the MCQ question. Next question is nothing but it's just kind of the definition. Investment entity is an entity. Its major objective is nothing but investing in another company. These are exempted from the consolidation. Okay. There is a question on the temporary. Generally, there is a question on temporary control. If there is a first concept is nothing but generally, as per the Ind AS 21, if there is a temporary control by the holding, then CFS is mandatory. Even there is a temporary control, CFS is mandatory. But as per Ind AS 21, even there is a temporary control, CFS is a mandatory. Is nothing but is not mandatory. It's exempted. Okay, it's one of the MCQ question.